TalentLMS lets you set up web conferences, allowing your users to attend various live training events without enrolling in specific courses. Let's set up a web conference right now. Log into your portal as an instructor, enter Conferences from the sidebar, and click Add Conference. Give it a name, set the starting date and time, use the duration bar to specify how long your web conference will last, enter your welcome message, and click Save. You can now start adding your users to the event. Click the corresponding conference's user icon and then select Add User. To add an individual user, simply click the icon next to their name. You can also use the funnel icon to filter users by group and add them one by one. To send a message, select the conference's message icon, type your message, and click Send. Now, let's switch to the learners role. Your learners will receive a message within TalentLMS containing a URL they can use to access the conference directly. The same message will also be sent to their email addresses. Let's go back to the instructor's role. Once the conference is about to begin, go to Conferences and click the Join button to launch it. Make sure you click the Join button as an instructor so your learners can enter the conference. Learners can use the sidebar and click Calendar to see all the upcoming live events they're invited to. Once they've entered a conference, they'll be transferred to the big blue button interface, TalentLMS's default web conferencing tool, unless the admin of the platform has integrated another conferencing tool with the training portal. Conferences are a great way for instructors to interact with their learners through live events and ensure they make learning more engaging, personal, and dynamic.